you've got children of a certain age, then you might have some of these in your house. That's if you've been lucky enough to get your hands on some. We all know what that's been like. I saw an idea yesterday of someone who'd made some lights for their child's bedroom from these, because obviously once they've drank it, they don't want to throw the bottles away. That's the whole point. So here's how you do it. Basically, I ordered these from Amazon. There's some cork lights where you put them into wine bottles to blow up. $7.99 for 10 it was, and they come with loads of batteries. You basically has a plastic cork on the top. I'll show you one. This is it unravelled. You put, there's the switch for inside each one. Put a little bit of blue tack on the top of the cork. Got your empty bottle. Dry it out properly first. I've still not had a chance to dry the others out properly. Stick it to the top. Put your light inside. This is the fiddly bit, but you basically just push it in. Screw your lid on. And there you go. You've got your lights.
What is that?
Let's see.
What is that? That's sick. What is that?
Lights.
Oh, that's mint. How did you do it? Can I open it?
Yeah.
Oh, right. That actually looks sick.